We are vlogging on a bike. We're driving down the street with one hand. I got Lincoln on back.
I'm with two hands. I have two hands.
We are going on a ride. This is not safe. I should be wearing my helmet, but I gave it to Lincoln's buddy Easton. Do you guys remember our rad power bikes? Do you guys remember that?
They're awesome.
We got them last year. These have been our favorite bikes that we have had. Our favorite summer things, even more than electric skateboards, boosted boards, inboard, any of those. There's proof right there, 226 miles. Today we're going to something really cool. I have never been to a monster truck rally before. And have you, Lincoln?
No.
Yeah, super cool. Now we're going to one that we can actually ride our electric bikes to it. It's that close. I know it's the end of summer, but if you're looking for an electric bike, check out the Rad Power bikes. We'll put a link in the description and a code will pop up on the screen right here that will give you some money off of your purchase. Whoa, cool treehouse.
This isn't a treehouse. It's hammocks.
This isn't a treehouse. Okay. Better put this camera down, focus on the road, and get moving. We're almost there. I'm vlogging. This is not safe. Do not vlog and ride bikes at the same time. I think we're in the right place. That's loud. Let's park right here where it says no parking. Good idea, Lincoln.
Yeah. You know, this place is kind of big.
This is big. It's so loud.
Did you bring any headphones?
No.
He's smart.
That's a smart Lincoln. Have you ever heard anything louder than that? I want to say
My
this is
ears are
louder.
ringing.
I think this is louder than NASCAR.
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln. This is Dan.
If we're going on an adventure like this, you got to have your adventure friends. So check it out.
What's up, guys?
There we are. What's this? What's the update? Have all of the treasures been found?
So, yeah, all 9, all of them. Well, we got a long comment that the Disneyland one was found.
Yeah, what's the story with that?
They like dug it up and they described the treasure, but I haven't seen proof. Have you seen
And then
proof?
somebody else commented saying they saw them find it,
Yeah.
but we haven't seen anything.
So if you found the Disneyland treasure and
Let
you
us
haven't,
know.
yeah, give us proof.
Lincoln, you need to go back to Disney and hide another one.
Oh, sweet. Let's go.
But in order to really learn all about monster trucks, we've got to find a driver itself. This is our friend Jake. He drives monster trucks for a living.
That's right, that's right, yeah. It's an awesome career.
Yeah, oh wait, no. He drives an ice cream truck, but it's pretty close. And from what I understand, you're driving that tonight, right?
I'm driving the ice cream truck tonight, and I'm gonna be heading up against one of these 2 purple or orange Jeeps right here.
One of these guys?
Yep, against one of these guys. I'm thinking we ought to throw a few extra people in the bus to get the crowd going.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Can you get the crowd going, Lincoln?
Yeah,
Can
I
you?
think so. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
This is our buddy Jake. They have the channel called Sea Tallers. We've talked about him a bunch. We've gone, where did we go? We went to Logan for Zach's 1,000,000 subscriber party in the ice cream bus. That's the one that he's gonna be in today. He had a hookup with this and got us some tickets and said, come to the monster truck thing. The tow hitch goes up to my shoulder. Look at that. There's Lincoln under the monster truck. See, doesn't look comfy?
No.
Let's see. Oh, look at that.
It doesn't look like it has any air conditioning either.
No, I don't think so. Look at this thing. Airborne Ranger. It looks like a military one. But we found the driver, Joe, right?
That's right.
Tell us about your truck. What's the story here?
This is called the Airborne Ranger. It's the world's first hand-controlled monster truck. What? I drive it with my hands primarily, yep.
That is cool. How long have you been driving?
25 years, next year. Next year.
25 years? Look at this thing. Okay, what's the craziest thing you've ever run over?
The bus stacks are probably the craziest, because they're so tall, so big. Sometimes they stack them up on top of the ground that they laid out, and it gets higher
Buses,
and higher.
you just drive
so
over?
Buses are just crazy.
There it is. There's the seat, right there, with the sweet Skull and Bones helmet. The first hand-controlled monster truck. Were you in the military?
Oh yeah, I was Airborne Ranger. That's where the name comes from.
Okay, here we are. Here's the van. Look what Jake has. The Gravedigger.
Gravedigger Silver, Gravedigger Black.
I have been challenged to do an RC race. Gravedigger versus Gravedigger. Mano y mano. Jake versus Dan. Winner takes all. I don't know. And then Lincoln's gonna do a battle Lincoln versus Lincoln, same terms. So we're gonna do this battle right now. It's gonna be fun. You gotta watch it on Jake's channel. We'll put a link in the description and you can go check it out.
Lincoln, say hi.
Woo!
Can I borrow these? Thanks, buddy. I'll give them back in like 3 hours, okay? Luckily we know Jake because he's giving us access to throw footballs on the track. Hey Jake, if there's an emergency, it's a really important sign over here. The exit is either north, south, east, or west. Okay, you got that?
One of those directions.
Yes. It's really loud here. It's even louder when the trucks are on, so I don't know how much talking we'll do, but enjoy these beautiful shots of trucks.
This is one heck of a lineup. We got the land yacht.
Who's gonna win? Jake?
Jake!
You
Jake!
gonna win this?
Jake!
I don't know about that. We got the ice cream truck. Little VW bus is actually, holding the corners pretty tight. Casey's like, yeah. I would get out of his way too if I were you, James.
Jake got worked. He got demolished. He got crushed.
I love that one.
Nice work. Thanks, man. That was awesome. You tore it up out there. That was great. So what's freestyle? What do you guys do there? And
Go show off, do what we can. We get to hit everything out there. At freestyle.
even those big jumps?
You know who drove his truck?
Okay, we are sticking around for freestyle. Sounds pretty cool. Well, nobody's taking our bikes yet. They are still here, thank goodness. So right now it's an intermission. They are taking a break and there's a lot of exhaust in there. So we came out here to breathe some fresh air and throw some footballs around. But the next step is the freestyle. You heard it from Joe. He says it's gonna be crazy, big jumps, so I'm all down for that. First impression of Monster Truck Lincoln.
Wow.
Loud. Go deep, go deep, go deep, get him, hit him. Boom.
You used to go catch it.
It's in the road. Don't blame it on your receiver. It's the quarterback's fault. All right, it's time for the freestyle. They just cleaned up the entire track and made new jumps. That's a good sign. You saw Jake's truck, not truck like this bad boy, but you saw his ice cream truck go out there. Well, he's gonna go take another spin because two of the cars that were in the race backed out because something broke on him, I guess. So the slowest one is going in the finals. We're gonna make it even slower by having us in there.
Get a good belt on because this freezer goes flying. It's nothing holding it in.
This thing is not sketchy at all.
Watch your heads.
Sounds sketchy.
Yeah, it is a little bit
I like
sketchy.
it.
We're gonna have two heats. We're gonna be in the second heat, and they said at the end of the heat, then we can go from the far end to this end and throw out our ice.
Why don't you rev your engine to intimidate him?
So,
I see him.
good idea.
I see him right there in the Jeep.
Oh, it's Jeremy.
Yeah.
I know Jeremy.
Let's do it, man. Get your engine. Oh, yeah.
Jeremy's number 67.
I think Jeremy's
He's
intimidated. Let it be known, I am not wearing a seatbelt. What we're up against, guys. He has a sticker that says kill, and we have a sticker that says kids buy ice cream. I think this is a little more intimidating. Here we go. We're going in.
Yes, I'm safe now.
They all waved. I feel so cool in an ice cream truck. Are you going for the jump?
We're going for it!
Yeah! Woo! Go over the jump. Hold on to that ice cream. Oh, we missed the jump. There I go. Go, Jake! Faster! Faster! Go!
Wait for us!
He's waiting! Hello! Go, Jake, go! Oh! He's right behind us! That's so funny! Right here! Right here!
Hey, get the ice
Get
cream!
the ice cream! Take off your seatbelts!
Okay, go for it! The game's launching!
How'd it go, Lincoln?
That was amazing!
I don't know if you're saving any of that ice cream, but we pretty much launched all of it.
One of them, it was slightly open, so I threw it, but I held onto the wrapper, and then the whole
The ice cream came out of the wrapper.
I don't think we won, but I definitely think we were the fan favorite.
Throw him, Lincoln, throw him. Oh, nice throw, one more, go, go, go. Oh, nice throw, buddy. Check this out, look at all the dirt. There's dirt all over the sidewalk, it all came up. Look who got one of the ice creams, Claire did. How did you get that?
Well, Lincoln threw it, and I saw that you guys were handing out ice cream, so I ran over there, and it fell on the ground, and I slid, and I hurt my knee, but I got the ice cream.
Yeah, nice job. All right, it is time to leave.
Right?
Goodbye to our friends, the Jergies.
See you guys.
We'll see you soon. We're gonna do a recap video of all the winners. Sound good?
Yes.
She is checking out the red power bike. She wants one.
I do. I want one bad.
This is not an advertisement. She just really wants an electric bike.
Or it could be an advertisement. Whatever.
We could hook them up. Hook them up, Rad Power Bikes. Send a bike to the Jergies. They'll take them on an adventure. Jake and Manon,
Thanks for hanging out with us.
That was fun.
You're
Thanks
an
for the
awesome
invite.
co-pilot in the ice cream truck, I gotta say.
It is one of the highlights of my life.
Okay,
What a
good.
highlight of everyone's life here.
Yeah. I hope that footage was as good as what it was, like, of us doing it, because it was super funny to see everybody cheer. It was great. So, hope you enjoyed Monster Truck Night. I don't even know what to call it. See ya.